Hey guys, this is choreographer Srijit, and today I'm going to teach you a small portion of Bollywood choreography to the song Muqabla. Come on, let's get started. Right from the back, you just take 4 steps forward, like so. Walk, 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 and a split with a snap. So after that, you just do a footwork. Just cross your leg, right leg behind left. Then your heels turns out and open in the second position. So I'll do again, just cross, out and out. Okay, let's do together. So 1 and 2. Got it. So right from the house position, house shape, you just punch with your right hand towards the left corner. Keep your left hand in this position and punch it in under this hand. So 1, 2, 3, 4. First with your right hand, right, left, right, right. So while doing this, just lift your pelvis along with your hand. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Once you finish the punching step, take a turn to your right and do a running man twice. 1, 2. So left leg in front, tap your left leg in front, left, right, and a turn. Got it? So right from the punching step, punch, 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 and so punch, punch, punch. After this, take a turn and running man twice and turn. Got it? Right from here, do a side movement with the shoulder, side and step together, and you can cross your hand in front of your body. Okay? So, and this. Next is the neck movements. Like move your neck to your left side. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. After that, you can step out your right foot and take a small jump to your left and settle down in the second position. So I will do from the beginning. Right from here, just take 4 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, and snap. Then foot works. Muqabla, Muqabla. Running man, turn. Shoulder move, neck move, step out and settle down in the second position. Come on, let's do with the music.